You suck!
Put up fists!
Oh, fat man, please! Let's settle this like gentlemen!
No!
But what a spy is not kill? A. He will stand up and shoot him. B. K. C. Where the hell is NISLT?
He goes back into the beam.
Damn, son.
Sorry, but really thanks for your support, your gifts and your fan arts. And of course, thanks for watching. It really means a lot to me.
Damn, son.
Also please join my Steam group. Announcements will be made in that one. Link in the description. Okay, MATs, see you goodbye.